Hello everyone. We are looking at Phase 5, Chapter Matrix, Exercise 1. Question number 25. So, just look at the question. I think this question is very simple. This question is about another matrix addition question. So, three matrices are given and they have to be added. So, first of all, we have to just remember this in mind that whether addition is defined or not. So in this case, we can see the orders are same because addition is defined only for the same order matrix. So here, all the three matrices are same order. And how do you add them? Simply you add the corresponding elements. So the resultant matrix, the first, it will also have the same order. If once we are adding our 2 into 2, the resultant matrix will also be a 2 into 2. So I'll just show you the first element. First element will be sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 0. That will be our first element. We just add the corresponding element. We know sine square theta plus cos square theta for any value of theta is 1. So the first element is nothing but 1. So that's what it is shown to you here as well. So you just add the corresponding element, apply the necessary identity, and you'll get the final result. So this is just about adding the three matrices. Thank you.